beautiful children. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. So hear me out carefully. An important update. Your second PUC exam 2 results are officially out, and I'll tell you how you can check it. Okay, so first of all, directly you can go to karresults.nic.in. That is the website that is there. Now if at all you feel that that's too much for you, just write second PUC results in Google and just scroll down, just look out for this particular website, click on this particular thing. You have to fill in your registration number, Baba, and also select the subject combination, and then go ahead with clicking the submit button. Now if you feel that somehow there is trouble finding the website or some issues here, you can also do one more very important thing. Go to KCET's official website, that is Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board's official website. Over here at the top corner, you will be able to see PUC Student Corner. Now when you go to PUC Student Corner, just scroll down, you will be able to see what? This particular thing, that is, where is it? Yes, Exam 2 results. So if you click on that, you just have to again fill in your register number as well as select the stream, and then go ahead with viewing it. Now listen to me very carefully. Whatever your results are, accept it. Okay, I hope all of you had improved than before, and please not be worried if at all you are someone who feels that previous time you scored even better than this time. Then whatever marks are better, that is going to be considered, especially if at all you are a KCET aspirant, or in general also in second PUC, if at all you have written a second examination and if your previous examination had better marks, then that is going to be considered. So you do not need to be worried. The best out of 2 will be considered. Yes. Now for KCET also, that marks will only be considered, and you do not have to do any filling of marks. I have told in separate videos, in several other videos, that second PUC children who have completed their second PUC from Karnataka board itself, for them things are quite different. You do not need to do marks entry. Basically with the help of your data, it is going to be automatically fetched. Okay, so that's one very important news that I had to tell you. If there are any other things that you need help with, definitely let us know in the comment section below. And my dear children, you did whatever you could, right? So if you are someone who have not scored better, do not be disheartened. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. You did what you could, as I said, right? So let's just face it, and I hope that every one of you, whatever your dream is, may all of your dreams come true. If at all that's the best for you, only best will reach you. And yes, so there used to be my friend, just a small thing, okay, who used to say, please pray that please pray that I get this particular thing. I used to say that no, I cannot pray like that. I'll rather say that the best, whatever is best for you, let that happen. So the same thing applies for you guys. If at all there is some issues with your results and things like that, just understand there is more to it. Okay, yes, so that's all. And one more very important thing, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates regarding KCET as well as Comet counseling and all the other important things. And to your juniors, the 1-year KCET crash course will be starting from the month of June, and if at all you want any understanding about that, make sure you watch you go in the description section and you check out the link given there about Pariksha Veera KCET batch. Okay, so that's all. Lots of love. Please take care. Bye bye.